The course of exercises using Samozdrav complex is divided into 4 stages. Exercises should be carried out 1 or 2 times daily, 30 minutes before or 2-3 hours after eating and drug administration. Breathing should be carried out only through the simulator. When exercising with the mouthpiece, the nose is pressed with a special clamp, and the mouthpiece is put in the mouth. When exercising with a mask, both a mouth and nose breathing are possible. The mask densely adjoins to the face. Breathing is calm, steady. The breath is not deep, and the exhalation should be not rapid and abrupt. Practice the exercises easily, without effort. If a shortage of air feeling occurs, the exercises should be stopped. At each stage, start practicing the exercises from 3 minutes, adding the load by 1 minute every day. Gradually bring it to a full workout, and this is 20 or 30 minutes continuously. The duration of the stage is counted from the moment of starting the full workout. The exercises begin with the first stage. You do not need to have a break between the stages. At the first stage, the device is assembled in a simplified form, without external containers. The cover of the cup is inserted into the cup so that the figure 1 of the cover of the cup should be opposite the mark of the cup. Connect one end of the tube to the offset of the cover of the cup. The other end of the tube can be connected either to a flexible compensator and mouthpiece, or a sleeve and mask. Duration of the first stage from 1 to 1.5 months. During the second stage, connect the base to the cover of the simulator, while the offset on the inside of the rim of the simulator cover should fall into the groove on the rim of the base. The middle chamber is inserted into the assembled container until bumping. The mark of the middle chamber should coincide with the Roman figure 2 on the cover of the simulator. The figure 1 on the cover of the cup should be opposite the mark of the cup. Place the cup in the middle chamber until bumping, so that the figure 1 on the cup cover should be opposite the mark of the cover of the simulator. Duration of the second stage from 1 to 1.5 months. During the third stage, the simulator is assembled according to the second stage, but the mark on the middle chamber must coincide with the Roman figure 3 on the cover of the simulator. Duration of the third stage from 2 to 3 months. At the fourth stage, the simulator is assembled according to the third stage. The mark on the middle chamber must coincide with the Roman figure 3 on the cover of the simulator. But before each workout, pour 3 tablespoons of warm boiled water into a glass. Bring in the exercises time to 20-30 minutes. After 15 days, it is necessary to move the number on the cover of the cup, opposite the mark on the cup from figure 1 to figure 2. The cup should be placed into the middle chamber until bumping, so that the figure 2 on the cup cover should be opposite the mark on the cover of the simulator. In another 15 days, it is necessary to move the figure to 3. The cup is placed into the middle chamber until bumping, so that the figure 3 on the cup cover should be opposite the mark of the cover of the simulator. After another 15 days, move the mark to 4. The cup is placed in the middle chamber until bumping, so that the figure 4 on the cup cover should be opposite the mark of the cover of the simulator. Duration of the fourth stage, 2 months. Feel fit.